Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2008 Clark 32 by 96 inch wide. Unit's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. New wood deck on this unit, folks. Kingpin plate has been repaired. As you can see, it's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Brand new buyer's toolbox for storage. Refurb steel outer rim. Brand new rubber, spring ride suspension, brand new brakes and drums. This unit is equipped with a Moffett mounting kit, carries Moffett and a few other brands. Just let us know what you have, or take a look at our website. You can take a look at our universal mounting kit on our other trailers, our trucks, and all our piggyback and Moffett forklifts. Refurb steel outer rim, brand new rubber all the way around, brand new straps with refurbed ratchets. Landing gear has been checked and verified. Excellent condition on the headboard. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.